Hello, today I will be showing you how to put the subscribe button in your YouTube videos. So let's get started. Firstly, just go to the App Store. Under App Store, just type VN and go to VN Video Editor. Under the VN Video Editor, just download it and open it. As I have already downloaded it, I will open the application. Okay, now I'm having the video in which I have to put the subscribe button. So I will delete this and just tap on the third row starting from top here and just go to the stocks, import from file manager, as I have already saved it on the file manager, and I will put the subscribe button here. Now it's up to you how much long you want the subscribe button to be displayed. Now the issue normally arises when the video is being played. This covers all your screen. So to solve this, just click the subscribe button and in the bottom just find the chroma option. Here is the chroma option. Just adjust the intensity to the 15% and tap tick. So after tapping the check button, so now you will see the green background will not come anymore. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel.